Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today I'm going to recap today's insane trading session, and what better to start with than crypto. Crypto made an absolutely insane move today. We've been talking about over the last couple of days how there were nice setups forming in MicroStrategy and Coinbase, along with Ethereum and Solana too, but mainly those two stocks, and boy did they pay off today. Now first I'm going to start by looking at Ethereum. Ethereum had that consolidation going, was forming a flag, and yeah, it took off today. I was long ETHU from yesterday. I bought this yesterday at 15.9 to 15.95. I covered it in yesterday's market recap video, and today made a huge move. I was up around 35 to 40% on my position just like an hour ago when I sold out of all of it. So insane move there on Ethereum. Crazy in one day. Like, people are saying it's like a reverse of October 10th of last year. This is inverse. Insane move. Next up, also MicroStrategy. The funniest thing here on MSTR is that it looked like they tried to shake people out yesterday. At the end of the session, it was selling off. It sold off into the close yesterday and then just gapped up and just ripped all of today. So it looked like they were trying to fake people out yesterday. But yeah, I got long MSTR yesterday as well, and insane 13% today. I was long via MSTU and MSTX. Both are the same thing, just different issuers. But yeah, both up 30% today, including the after hour gain. So insane move again on MSTR. We talked about many times on my Twitter how that it would be just crazy. We would get a range break. I mean, we talked about this is just one tweet about one of it, but I talked about it so many times on video, the last couple of videos, that we're gonna get an insane move on MSTR and Coinbase out if Bitcoin can break out. So nice to see that pay off here. Solana, another one that was a really beautiful chart, consolidated and pushed through the pivot at 76.5 and just ripped today about 11%. So beautiful again. Coinbase was the other one that took off today. Was buying it in this range. Average price in like around 148 to 149 on Coinbase, and it took off again 10% today. Beautiful, amazing. Probably has a date with the 200 days soon. Beautiful. All around, that's like all I have to say about crypto. Just an insane move. My short positions on Net and CrowdStrike were two other ones that have been working really well, and it continued today with CrowdStrike down 5.3% and Net down another 3%. So these have all pulled back double-digit percentages almost off their highs. I mean, Crowd not really yet, not really that much, but Net has pulled back from 330 to 291. That's $40 a share. So those worked really well. Both those shorts. I started taking trims today, so I covered some, but still holding a portion of it as well. NVO, another one, went up today nicely on sympathy of that mRNA news that took this up 180%. The entire healthcare sector and biotech sector took off today. XBI was up 6%. XLV was up 3.5%. Lilly was up 4.5%. Merck was up 13%. And yeah, obviously NVO was up a little bit, about $1 throughout, including the after hours. So solid move on that as well. The weekly chart looks a lot better now. It looks like it wants to push back up to the 50 plus and even up to 59.60. That where my end target is. So great looks all around. End phase, I like today's action, up 5%. Beautiful as well. SoFi acted well today again. Looks ready to push through that 19 area and go higher. VG, I ended up selling my position today. I cut it all. Didn't like how it gave back yesterday after failing that level and then pulling back. I sold out of all my position today. Ended up making like 1 or 2% on the trade, but I did give back like a decent amount from where I was up here when I was at 14.3, 14.4. I sold it at 13.77 near the close. So gave some back, but still overall good. Today was a day of weakness within tech names, I guess. I mean, the semis and mainly the AI trade. Data center names got hit, memory got hit, semis got hit, but other than that, pretty much everything went up. So it was an amazing session if you weren't long semis and AI names, but if you were long AI names, it probably was not the best session. Oh, another story from today is that yields absolutely collapsed because of more intervention from Besson and the Treasury. TLT is something we've been covering, how those big dark pool prints were coming in around here. And yeah, I mean, now it's reclaimed that level for sure. And now a good look on the weekly chart for TLT. And yeah, we'll see how yields continue from here. But the market, risk assets really liked today's headlines. So that's something to watch. Financials are down a little bit today. One more position I wanted to cover was Vistra. It didn't look good yesterday, but today, nice reclaim and a hammer. Probably will push back above and reclaim this pivot tomorrow. And this will likely be a higher low if it can hold this range. So it'd be nice. Make a higher low, then push back up and move back towards the targets. But yeah, today was a day for me for mainly trimming positions because of the insane move I saw today. But other than that, I don't have really anything I'm watching like fresh setups. I mean, one I was keeping an eye on was Snap. Snap, I mean, has this little bull flag forming after the earnings move, but have initiated like a super light position here, like barely anything. So we'll keep watching it for a few days and see what happens. But I currently don't really have any setups that I'm watching right now, like too closely. I mean, we could maybe see SMCI like pull back into the moving averages and buy, but these are all low conviction stuff. So other than that, probably I'm sitting in just holding my runners in my current positions and not adding anything new tomorrow. Yeah, that's about it though. I hope you guys made money today. I hope you guys caught some of these trades that I've been talking about. Hope you guys capitalized. And I hope you guys enjoy this video as well. If you guys learned anything or you got something out of it, please make sure to like this if it's on Twitter. Follow me if it's on YouTube. Like the video and subscribe. And thank you guys again, and I'll see you guys in the next video.